My Pets, a book for learning Spanish words by Jessica Diaz. Copyright 2019 by Jessica Diaz. All rights reserved. Hi, I'm Emma, and I love animals. I have tons of pets. Come on, I'll introduce you. This is my perro. His name is Toby. He loves to go for walks and to chew on my shoes. This is my gato, Erica. She likes to purr and take naps. Meet my pez. His name is Nemo. He loves to swim and explore his underwater castle. This is my pájaro, Rosie. She sings and hangs out in her little birdhouse. The only other pet I have is a conejo named Buddy. He loves to hop around and eat carrots. Do you have any pets? Can you name them in Spanish?